Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to look at about the exceptions in Python. Okay, so exceptions is exceptions in Python is the when you encounter exception in Python, you might be tempted to catch them to ignore. The rule of thumb is to catch exception that you are going to handle. If you can handle an exception, it is a better idea to let the exception get raised and break the program. So they are created with invalid operations that Python establishes, or they are generated from your own code. For example, like this one, 14/0. So we got zero division error, division by zero. The description is. So it means that it's just exception from Python itself. If we want to generate an exception with our own code, we can use the raise runtime error. This is a problem. If we run this code, we'll get name error. Okay, name error, runtime error. So we will need to try that. We will need to try the try and except is keywords to catch exceptions. The rule of thumb is to always to catch the exception you need. For example, let's say try, and we need to define some in-test operation that will cause us an error. Let's say result equal to 14/0 and except. Then we need to do some other in-test operation like result equal to 14/2. Okay, so let's print it out the result. So we got 7.0. So don't just get tempted to catch all exception. Okay, so let's say try. We need to find some in-test operation that causes an error. Result equal to 14/0. Oops. And with runtime error of error except exception. Now we need to define to some other in-test operation like this one. For example, now we just need to print it out the result. Okay, let's write it out. So we got 7.0. We can also group many exceptions while catching them as well as doing an assignment if needed. For example, let's say try result 14/2 result plus, let's say 100 except zero division error and type error. Result 14/2 print result. And here we will get that 7.0 as well. So assigning the resulting exception to a variable is also possible. For example, let's say try result equal to 14/0 and except zero division error as error print f string got an error. We can pass the error here. Now I wait for this that too and print result. So if we run this cell, we will get coded error and 7.0. Okay, so that's all today. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I will okay, that's for today. So see you tomorrow.